Interception by jersey number 16. A bad pass. Interception yan. Atake ngayon all the way. Goes to goal. Basket down. Reach back sa 15. Inward pa sa big man. Nakita 88 commit. Hesitate. And pull up. Hard. Nakaras ng 20 siya. Pasa lang yan. Turn around shot. Basket. 2-point lead wide. Ding-ding-dingan sa east. Pasa lang. Catch and shoot. Basket count. Another deadlock. Oh, no basket. Out the ring. Drop pass out belly 1. Kita ulit ang 3. Penetrate. Connects 2 points. Connects 3 points. And White grabs the lead. Atake 3. Goes to goal. Basket. 2 points. Jersey number 88. Pasa lang. Deflected. Almost a steal. Atake sa baseline. And foul. Basket. Nakagad ang puno. Opensa. Penetrate all the way. Connect 2 points. And engaging si Sagay. Layup. Basket. By Sagay. 2 points. 12-13. 1-point lead. White. Pasa na kaagad. On the right wing. Connect 3 points. Jersey number 8. Atake Sagay goes to goal. And no basket. Good back. Basket. By jersey number 7. Good back. Ensa. 8-4-3. Connect 3 points. Crossover move. Inward pass sa 7. Dinalik. Binomba. Pull up. No basket. Tinapit ulit sa 20 yan. Another attempt. Shoot again. Another attempt. Air ball. Another attempt. Basket. Almost a steal. Atake 20. Cross-court pass. Perimeter. Basket. Side corner. Deflect steal ni Sagay. Crossover move ni Sagay all the way to the hoop. Basket. Dying seconds. Shot lock off. Atake sa baseline. Air ball. Gambling ko na mo nakita ni Apple to. No basket. And the first thing. Throw in by Estacio. Jersey number 6. Second quarter. Estacio. Penetrating JG. Connects 2 points off the glass. Pass jersey number 18. Kick out to Estacio. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Sa block. Atake Estacio. On the left wing. Connects 3 points. Defensive rebound para sa block. Binigay out to Estacio. Aim for 3 on the right wing. Connects 3 points. Back to back 3 points. Down to 16. Inward pass sa 23. Kick out on the right wing. Connects 3 points. Play on the right wing, aim for 3, off the ring. Dalawa yun. Pass, break away kaagad ang 18 ron, all alone. Easy 2 points. Sa Manda. Right wing, aim for 3. On the side, connect 2 points. Nakita open wide, nakita 7. Cinco on the side, no basket. Dying seconds. On top of the key, nothing but glass. End of the first shot. Big man off the glass, connect 2 points. Jack Laten pass lang yan. Layup, basket. Ang jersey number 12. This scoop natin one. By White. Ang referee. Off the glass. Aim for 3. The next 3 points. Espacio penetrate, engaging, and off the glass. The next 3 points. Number 1. On top of the tee. The next 3 points. Off the glass. This back to Sagay. Shot clock counting down. Penetrate Sagay. Connects 2 points. A minute and 50. Aim for 3 Hipolito. Connects 3 points on the left. Steal. Steal din yan. 21. Penetrate and pull up. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Ngayon, the right wing. Even pa sa Soto. Steal drop. Connects 2 points. Sa bench ang Hipolito. Lay up. No basket. Wala ka rin ang follow-up dyan. Again, the control the ball. Dying seconds. Oh, buzzer beater. Last 10 minutes. Next out of possession. White. Buban. Jersey number 1. Cross-court pass. 23. Perimeter. Basket. Perimeter shot. Uno, pass to Hipolito. On the right team. Connect 3 points. Oh, sumarap si Hipolito. Nakuha pa rin. Shot clock, 1 thing down. Starting game for 2. Connect 3 points. Back shot clock down to 10. Penetrate. Stacio. And off the glass. Connect. On the side. In and out. Defensive rebound 7. It's out. On the left wing. Connect 3 points. Taps out doon. Espacio dito starte. Coast to coast. Kaya basket by Espacio. Off the glass. Hipolito. Cross-court pass to Elsa. Basket. 3 points. Nakatake Espacio. Pull up. Basket. Off the glass. Nakatake Hipolito. On top of the team, connects 3 points by Hilton Sudiba na daw pass. All the way to the hoop. And turn around layup. No basket. Steal by Cinco. Binigay kay Sagay. Switch back to Cinco. Pull up. Mid-range K. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points by Hipolito.